These students are stressed out with finals week quickly approaching. Stress results from situations and forces that challenge and test a person's capabilities. There are different types of stressors that can affect a person's level of stress. These include physiological stressors, interpersonal stressors, psychological stressors, and environmental stressors. These students are experiencing a psychological stressor. This is because they are wanting to do well on an exam that is a week away and receive a good grade in the class. These students have recently learned that participating in physical activity can help lower their levels of stress. All students participated in different forms of physical activity that they enjoy, seeing if it would help with their finals week stress. Yoga is considered a somato-psychic or body-mind approach to stress management. This approach focuses on the idea of relaxing the body in order to relax the mind. Yoga is a great approach if someone tends to get frequent headaches or migraines, has digestive disturbances, or muscular tension. This type of exercise is also a good method if someone is wanting a low-intensity approach that is not as hard on the body. According to a study, yoga has been proven to be an effective technique in reducing anxiety, stress, and increasing physical and mental health, as well as sleep ability.
From the research, influence of general self-efficacy as a mediator in Tai Chi-induced stress reduction, results from a randomized controlled trial written by Markov. Findings confirm previously reported Tai Chi-related stress reducing and general self-efficacy enhancing effects with general self-efficacy increase mediating Tai Chi-related reduction of perceived stress. After the student read the article, he found that playing Tai Chi can reduce stress. Chronic stressful experiences predisposed to the development of maladaptive changes in physiological stress responsive systems and health behavior known for their harmful impact on health and longevity. Tai Chi is rooted in Chinese martial arts and is characterized by the flow of gentle and mindfully performed body movements. Noted that the first part of the video is Chinese Tai Chi and the second part is Tai Chi of Taekwondo from Korea.
This student participated in cycling, which is a moderate aerobic exercise for her physical activity. While doing some research on cycling, she found a long list of benefits for this type of physical activity. Some of these benefits include decreasing risk of heart disease, having low impact on the body, as well as improving mental well-being by reducing the levels of cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. According to an article, subjects who participated in aerobic exercise responded to acute stress with a much more positive effect. They had lower systolic blood pressure, a superior motor performance, as opposed to the control group whose participants did not partake in aerobic exercise. They did not have as near as much of a positive response.
This student wanted to try running for his physical activity. He read a journal article testing how aerobic exercise can reduce stress levels. In this study, they found that aerobic exercise was an effective way to lower stress. He enjoyed running in the past and thought it would be an effective way for him to participate in aerobic activity that he is comfortable doing. It is important to participate in exercise that the person feels comfortable doing to prevent causing more stress from going out of their comfort zone.
Stress is something that will always be present in a person's life. The best way to handle stress is by learning how to effectively manage it. Physical activity is a great technique that can be used to help manage stress. Prior to exercising, these students were very stressed about their upcoming exam. After exercising, the students felt much less stressed. Part of this was due to being able to clear their minds, and part was due to the endorphins that were released during their physical activity session. Remember, physical activity does not have to be vigorous. Someone can participate in light to moderate physical activity and still receive the same benefits. A wise person once said, "Stress can either be the kiss of death or the spice of life, but it's all about how one manages this stress as to which one it will be."